What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be talking about the new Umidigi A5 Pro. Stay tuned. What's up, everyone? Stefan here from TechRight. Want to give a huge shout to Umidigi for sponsoring this video. They wanted me to talk about the new Umidigi A5 Pro coming out, and I'm actually excited about this phone. I just got the S3 Pro, and I'm gonna have my full review on that device very soon. But this device is going for about $150, so half the price right here. And this is the pre-sale global version of the Umidigi A5 Pro. We're going to talk about all the specifications and all of that right now. So first and foremost, if you guys do want to join Umidigi's giveaway, they are giving away some A5 Pros. Definitely go in the first link in the comment down below. And if you guys want to go ahead and pick up this device, go in the comments down below as well. The link will be available for you. Now, first and foremost, we do have some colors right here. Now, we have two colors. You're either going to get Space Gray, and this is what Space Gray looks like. Pretty dope. And the next one we have is Breathing Crystal. Definitely a unique name. Honestly, it looks like a cotton candy color. Really dope though. But I'm really liking this one right here. I'm really liking the Space Gray. Definitely looks better in my opinion, but if you guys are more of a colorful person, then this is the one you might want to go with. So $150, what does that get you? So let's go ahead and go into the main features down here. So for the OS operating system, we have stock Android 9.0. Now this is the latest software, which is always great to see. For our SIM card, we'll have dual nano SIM. We have 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. So definitely great to see a device with 4 GB of RAM at only $150. So really good to see that. Also, our battery is going to be 4,150 milliamps. Now, as for CPU, we're going to have a MediaTek Helio P23 right here. It's going to be a 2 GHz and 1.5 GHz processor, both using the 4x Cortex A53s. For the display, we're going to have a 6.3-inch in-cell 19:9 water drop full screen FHD plus display. So we are going to be getting that water drop notch that we saw on the Umidigi F1. We saw it on the Poco phone. A lot of people are big fans of that, and I have to say I am as well. Don't really like the iPhone X's or the XR's little, huge square notch. That kind of looks ugly, but when we get minimal notch with the water drop notch, it really does look good. So as far as the front facing camera, we're gonna have a 16 megapixel front facing camera. For a rear facing camera, we have a 16 plus 8 plus 5 megapixel camera. So this is going to be a little bit different right here. So this is going to be a triple camera setup, so a little bit different. They are going to be using Sony sensors again, and obviously we're going to go ahead and see how good the Sony sensors are on these devices, because some of these devices do use interpolation. I hope they're not upscaling 13 megapixels, but this definitely looks promising. I'm hoping to have a good experience with this device. Obviously, we have some other stuff right here that we already talked about. But so far, looks really good. We have global LTE bands, dual 4G VO LTE. Obviously, we're going to test it in the US. We're going to see how it works on Verizon, Metro by T-Mobile, a bunch of other carriers. We're definitely going to have to take a look at that. But so far, definitely looks promising for $150. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead and pick up this phone. They're probably going to go ahead and send it out to me, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. For $150, do you guys like these specifications? Yes or no? Definitely put it in the comments down below. Would love to hear your opinion and what you guys have to say. Also, if you guys do want to join that giveaway, the link will be in the comments down below, as well as the phone if you guys actually want to go ahead and pre-order it. Yeah, guys, I will have this phone on my channel very soon, and I'm super excited about it. Hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.